Good evening, traders, and welcome to our show After Hours with Bereez. I hope you had a profitable weekly expiry for Nifty and Banknifty. Though the movement of the indices, I won't say were easy to trade with. Right out of the open, we saw about 100-point correction, retesting, in fact, this breakout level that I had mentioned earlier in our show. And from here, another sharp up move, almost testing the day high here, then another down move and another up move. So overall, a very choppy day. Considering this and low volatility base, and volatility has corrected even further. I was not expecting this, to be very honest, but yeah, this volatility crash did help option sellers a bit. But even if you were an option buyer, there were clear reactions from index from different levels. So one level is this, one level is this, another one was day high. So if you traded in next week's expiry, I think it would not have been too challenging for even option buyers this expiry. As we see in a daily time frame, Nifty has made what we call a hammer. There is a technical name for it. We prefer to call it a hammer. It looks like it has absorbed all the supply here, and it has closed above day's high, in fact. So this is a particularly bullish pattern. So here on out, we can see an up move here. There is a chance that we can face some resistance from this candle's high, the mother candle's high, but it looks like momentum is on the upside, at least for the time being. So of course, this is the level we are watching, 17,972 or 18,000 round number, so that we can integrate option chain data as well in our analysis. Bank Nifty has made a very indecisive candle. So a hammer followed by an inverted hammer followed by another hammer. So it's a little difficult to say where Bank Nifty really wants to go, since both supply and demands are being absorbed on either sides. But yeah, in Bank Nifty as well, we keep an eye on this 42,000 level, another round number similar to 18,000 Nifty. And based on that, I think we can sort of plan our next week's trades, because now this form we are heading towards the top end of a range that this budget candle had formed. We already said, I already discussed that we are at an low range of the India VIX. So here on out, if the VIX increases, we can see some bearishness in the market. Highlight of today's movers actually was Nifty IT. So throughout the day, Nifty IT, after the initial down move, of course, we saw a very good rally in Nifty IT, led by none other than Infosys, one of the I think by market cap, it's in the top 5 companies in India. And as you can see, after testing yesterday's this particular level 1588, we saw a straight up rally in Infosys. And again, as we have been saying, that IT sector is bullish after this very long correction, even the price correction and time correction period. So again, I added some ITBs in my portfolio. I already have a lot of IT companies in my portfolio. Adding to that, taking it with the momentum. And another stock that we had discussed yesterday, and we had mentioned that 2335, 2331 could be the levels from where Reliance can actually give an opportunity, and we have roughly tested the same level. 2334 was the level, and from there Reliance has gone up about 1.5 percentage points. So another one of this is of course for a swing trade. From low of a range, you can get very good RR. If you purchased here, just a few 3 or 4 percentage point stop loss can potentially open you up to a target of even 7% if the momentum sustains, even 10%. So a very good RR trade in Reliance. There's nothing interesting happening in any of the other sectors, if I may say so, because I have been checking charts of different large stocks across different sectoral indices, and I see no new trades that could possibly be taken. As I said, Heromotocorp has tested this trend line, but mind you, Heromotocorp can actually give a false breakdown here and then retest. So I'm kind of waiting for that, because a lot of congestion had happened here, and we are back to that level again. So we can actually see a retesting of this level. Let me just quickly mark it, this one. So about 2465 is the level I am watching because such trend lines can always give a false breakdowns. So Heromotocorp is something I'm keeping my eyes on, and I think that's about it. Tomorrow I most likely will not be trading, since I actually closed most of my positions going into this. Though tomorrow is a working day, I will not most likely be trading actively. And just to summarize, you can see the breakdown of movements. Ignore these two red blocks. These movements have no meaning anymore. It's just moving based on news. Asian Paints closed in a decent bit of green, so did ONGC, though the rest of energy companies lagged. Nifty Metal Index, if you exclude this one, then Nifty Metal did not do too poorly. So that's one. Auto seemed to be lagging. Uh, Pharma seemed to be lagging. Well, utilities are usually flat. There's just one stock that moved. And yeah, the financials, in fact, was what held up the index today, along with Infosys. I won't even take the entire IT sector into consideration, since Infosys was the biggest contributor along with TCS. So yeah, that's the consideration in index. Now if IT sustains its momentum, we can actually break this 18,100 level in next week. If we do that, then I think there is a decent chance that we head up to 18,350 level as well, since then the momentum should propel the index up even further. And yeah, I think that sums up our today's market closing. If let us know how your expiry trading went in the comment section of this video. Like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified in every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.